Hi there. Have you been wanting to share your online data, but you're worried about revealing sensitive information? Well, not to worry. View Layers and ArcGIS Online have you covered. Let's take a look. I have a hosted feature layer with 3 pieces of data. The quickest and safest way to share this is by creating a view layer. This makes a copy of the data that is merely a reference to the original hosted feature layer. It does not duplicate the physical features, nor does it take up double the storage space. This 3-step process starts off by letting you turn on or off individual layers, and then you can define filters and which fields to include for each individual layer. Here, I'm going to define a filter to look for asthma diagnosis, as I want to do a risk assessment with the forest fire situation in Nova Scotia. Next, I'll define a new area of interest by drawing a polygon focusing on the areas with active fires. And I'm going to click the Apply to All Layers button to ensure that this filter applies to not only the cases, but the assessment areas as well. And lastly, I can remove the patient name and patient address fields to protect this data before sharing it with my colleague. In the third and final step, give the new view layer a name and click Create. But there's more to do, as this new hosted feature layer view does not inherit the following settings from the original hosted feature layer. This allows you to individually set how the view item is shared, whether it's delete protected, and whether or not others can export, edit, or publicly collect the data. I hope this helps the next time you want to quickly and safely share your data. If you have any questions about how to create view layers, let us know in the comments below. See you next time.